Hey everybody,
This is your girl PJ.
and I'm Cream. We coming to you live from Mississippi, okay? And we finna tell you all about the Ratchet girls, the perk codes, okay?
Follow your girl on Twitter at Lena Longley.
And Dirty2617, okay? That's the number, 617. Watch.
We want to talk to y'all about something.
It's important, okay?
We want to talk to y'all about them Ratchet girls.
They're really ratchet.
Baby, hating on us.
Always hating.
They mad because we popped a good bottle.
The good. She doing the most.
OMG, what do she got on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She ratchet.
About to take this half a picture.
She ratchet.
About to put this here on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause you ratchet.
Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Ooh, she
I
ratchet.
can't stand her. Ooh, she too fun.
She ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my miss up.
Girl, what?
Our baby boy, and it came with the sister.
Uh-huh.
Her yes, I'm pregnant, and I still hit the club.
That
in
right.
the middle of the flow. No shoes.
What's up?
I gotta get cute today. Everybody think first.
That's right.
Gotta keep it looking good, cause my baby dad just made that.
That right.
Need new shoes today. Charge up a check, get two today.
Cha-ching.
Got new tracks yesterday. Girl,
You know it.
gon' be fit up. Mood train.
Get out my
It's
way.
so fancy, I got my food.
Cha-ching.
Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tack. Paid $95 for this weed plus track. Bow. Been the thing over by stack my thumb.
Get it, girl.
Go and have this tank alone. Thinking that you better
You
than I am.
stupid.
But you thinking on whatever. She'll lie. My number.
Boy, bye.
Ugh, what is wrong with him, girl? She coming, girl. Hey,
Hey, girl.
You look cute.
Turn around, girl. What you
Let me see
wearing?
your outfit.
Oh, girl, you look.
Okay, girl. We talk to you
Yeah,
tomorrow.
Fine.
OMG, what do she got on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
I'm about to take this half up here.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. About to put this here on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Cause she ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause you ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Ooh, she ratchet.
Damn. Ooh, she too funny.
Cause she ratchet.
My name is Lmao, but my girlfriends call me Cole.
Alright.
Love me for a love. Think me boy.
Lego.
Yes, I am the baddest. You can't have this boo. Sorry, cause you said this my future baby daddy.
Marvin.
Got my dirty dress on. Dirty hips match my present.
Alright.
Counting dark skin. We don't like them red
What you
bones.
saying?
Duck lips in my picture. New FB and glitter. Follow me up on Facebook and
Follow me on Twitter.
I will team play a phone.
What else?
Team Chris Brown.
Okay.
If she don't shut it up, then this team shut it
What you
down.
gonna do?
I'm a team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's team
He playing.
I'm mad. He might as well spit it on me because I am too
fake.
I'm too cute, girl.
She is too fake, girl. Too fake.
Girl, look. OMG, what do she got on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She
Put
ratchet.
the phone. I'm finna take this here for pictures.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. About to put this here on Twitter.
She
'Cause
ratchet.
we ain't got time for this.
We too grown.
Boy, bye.
Not with them shoes on, Ray.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Ooh, she
I
ratchet.
can stand her. Ooh, she's so fine.
She ratchet. You know, girl.
That girl thinks she look good, but she don't look good like me.
You see her in that skirt with them
I
tights,
stay
girl.
rocking that new synthetic.
Girl, I get me new chains every day, girl, every day, cause my baby daddy pays for it, okay? I ain't gonna tell you